Hi, this is Jackie with WTI, and for me, wintertime is all about wearing cozy clothes, sweaters, scarves, and drinking hot cocoa. This is something I look forward to all year round. Just can't wait to get to cocoa season. I don't know about you, but the Land O'Lakes cocoa with the cinnamon flavor is that spicy, chocolatey, rich, yummy goodness that just tastes like home to me. It's kind of like that Mexican hot chocolate flavor. So rich, creamy, chocolatey, and with that little kick of cinnamon, mwah, it is so good. This literally tastes like you boiled the milk and added real chocolate to a pot and slaved all day. It is so homemade tasting, creamy and delicious, but without all the effort. So when you want that rich, homemade, yummy, thick goodness in a cup without all the work, the Land O'Lakes is what I go to. And especially the cinnamon, it's got that spicy kick. It just warms you up. It's so good with the warm, hot, rich chocolate and then that kick of cinnamon after. It's perfect for any time of year, but especially when you just want to warm up in the winter. But that's my point of view.